In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Repl file from Replit source. Subscribe to Flutter Worldwide. We're going to walk through downloading a single file from a Replit project and then opening it locally for debugging. This is perfect when you want to inspect a configuration file, tweak something offline, or run quick checks in your preferred editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Replit workspace. Navigate to the specific project you want to work with. Once the project loads, look to the left-hand side where the Files panel lives. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full file tree. Follow the highlight on screen to focus the correct area of the interface. This simply makes sure you're interacting with the file list and not the console or output pane. Next, use the file tree to locate the file you want to download. In this example, we're grabbing components.json. You may need to expand folders and scroll a bit to find it. When you see components.json, click it to open the file in the main editor area. Opening it is important because the download option appears in the editor's toolbar only when the file is active. With components.json open, look at the top of the editor for the highlighted control. Depending on your layout and theme, this could appear as a three-dot menu, a context menu, or a download icon. Click the highlighted control to reveal the available actions, then choose Download. Your browser should immediately begin saving the file. If you're prompted by the browser, confirm the download, and note where it's being saved. By default, that's usually the Downloads folder. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder on your computer and locate components.json. Double-click it to open in Visual Studio Code. If it doesn't open automatically in VS Code, right-click the file and choose Open With, then select VS Code. From here, you can format the JSON, view structure with the built-in outline, and run quick checks to ensure the content is valid. VS Code's Problems panel and JSON language features will help you catch syntax issues fast. If the file looks minified, use Format Document to make it easier to read. And remember, renaming or changing the file extension can break parsers, so keep it as .json. If you don't see the download control in Replit, make sure the file itself is selected in the editor.